Most diesel owners think they're driving bulletproof engines, and in most cases, they are. But here's what mechanics won't tell you. 7 out of 10 diesel failures happen because owners follow bad maintenance advice. Your diesel engine was engineered to run for 500,000 miles, yet most die before hitting 80,000 miles. The difference comes down to 7 maintenance habits that cost pennies but save fortunes. If you found this topic interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more diesel maintenance tips. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what diesel maintenance challenge you're facing right now. In this video, I'm going to share the 7 habits that will make your diesel last 300,000 miles or more. Make sure you watch until the end, because habit number 5 alone will save you from the most expensive diesel repair. Habit 1. Change your transmission fluid regularly. Let's start with the habit that most diesel owners completely ignore until it's too late. Many manufacturers now claim transmission fluid is lifetime and never needs changing. But this is one of the most misleading pieces of advice you'll ever hear. Here's the reality that no one talks about. No diesel vehicle operates in truly ideal conditions. Most diesels work in stop-and-go traffic, tow heavy loads, operate in extreme temperatures, or encounter dusty environments. These real-world conditions break down transmission fluid much faster than laboratory testing suggests. Your transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate components, it also cools the system and operates the hydraulic controls that shift gears. In diesel applications, this fluid works significantly harder due to the massive torque that diesel engines produce from low RPMs. When you neglect transmission service, the fluid develops varnish and microscopic metal particles that act like liquid sandpaper throughout your transmission system. This leads to slipping, harsh shifts, and eventually premature transmission failure that can cost thousands to repair. The smart approach varies by transmission type. For automatics, drain and fill every 60,000 miles. For manuals, change the gear oil every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. And for CVTs, follow manufacturer intervals strictly, usually every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Habit 2. Maintain your turbocharger system properly. Nearly every modern diesel has a turbocharger, and this is where many owners make fatal mistakes that cost them thousands. Your turbo spins at up to 200,000 RPM and operates at temperatures exceeding 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it needs special care to survive these extreme conditions. The number one turbo killer mistake is shutting off your engine immediately after hard driving or highway speeds. When you shut off a hot engine, oil stops circulating, but the turbo keeps spinning from momentum without proper lubrication. Without oil flow, the bearings literally cook themselves to death in minutes. Here's the golden rule that can save your turbo. After any highway driving or heavy load work, let your diesel idle for 30 to 90 seconds before shutting down. This allows the turbo to cool gradually while oil continues circulating to protect those critical bearings. Water-cooled turbos benefit from this practice too, as the coolant circulation helps dissipate heat more effectively during the cool-down period. Change your oil religiously and use only the manufacturer-recommended viscosity, because turbos are extremely sensitive to oil quality. Cheap oil or extended intervals will destroy turbo bearings, leading to expensive replacement costs that can easily reach several $1,000s. Habit 3. Replace fuel filters. Every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Modern diesel fuel contains biodiesel blends, water, and microscopic contaminants that can destroy your injectors in a matter of miles if not properly filtered. A clogged fuel filter forces your high-pressure fuel pump to work harder, which can lead to premature failure And when that pump goes, it often takes the entire injection system with it. This creates a domino effect of expensive repairs that could have been prevented with a simple filter change. Change your primary fuel filter every 10,000 to 15,000 miles without exception. And if you notice hard starting, loss of power, or black smoke, don't wait for your scheduled interval. Change those filters immediately, because a $40 filter change can prevent a $5,000 injection system failure. Water in diesel fuel is another silent killer that destroys engines faster than almost anything else. Always drain your fuel water separator monthly. And if you're seeing water regularly, you need to investigate your fuel source immediately. Your fuel filter isn't just filtering out dirt and debris, it's protecting a $3,000 to $8,000 fuel injection system that operates at pressures up to 30,000 psi. When this system fails due to contaminated fuel, the repair costs can easily exceed the value of older vehicles. Habit 4. Change engine oil every 5,000 to 6,100 miles. Here's the most controversial habit that goes against everything your dealer tells you. But it's backed by mechanics who see failed engines daily. Modern diesel manufacturers claim 10,000 to 15,000 mile oil change intervals, but this recommendation is slowly setting you up for expensive failure down the road. Unlike gasoline engines, diesel engines produce soot as a normal byproduct of combustion, and this soot mixes with your oil, turning it into liquid sandpaper that grinds away at internal components. Even with the best filtration systems available today, soot particles accumulate and start causing wear on critical engine parts like bearings, cylinder walls, and turbocharger components. Here's the reality check that dealers won't share. Diesel mechanics who rebuild engines daily recommend 6,500 miles maximum for oil changes, regardless of what your manual says. They make this recommendation because they're the ones rebuilding engines that followed manufacturer intervals religiously and failed prematurely. Regular oil changes cost a fraction of what an engine rebuild costs, and those extended intervals are designed to make ownership look cheaper during warranty periods. When the engine fails at 120,000 miles due to extended oil change intervals, the manufacturer's warranty has expired, and you're left holding the bill. If you're finding these tips valuable, take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on diesel performance and maintenance. Habit 5. Service your cooling system. Regularly, diesel engines run hotter and work harder than gasoline engines, so cooling system maintenance is absolutely critical for long-term reliability. Your cooling system isn't just preventing overheating, it's protecting against catastrophic failure that can destroy your entire engine in minutes. Flush your coolant every 2 to 3 years, or 30,000 to 40,000 miles, whichever comes first, because diesel engines generate more heat and put more stress on cooling components than gas engines. Old coolant becomes acidic over time and starts eating away at your radiator, water pump, and cylinder head gaskets from the inside out. Check your coolant level monthly, not just when problems occur, because diesel engines are far less forgiving of overheating than gasoline engines. Just a few minutes of overheating can warp cylinder heads or blow head gaskets, leading to repair bills that can easily exceed $10,000. The cooling system in a diesel works much harder due to higher compression ratios and operating temperatures, which means component failures happen faster and with more severe consequences. Regular cooling system maintenance prevents these catastrophic failures and ensures your engine runs at optimal temperatures for maximum efficiency and longevity. Habit 6. Use quality fuel and additives consistently. Here's the habit that separates diesel engines lasting 500,000 miles from those struggling to reach 200,000 miles. Fuel quality matters more in diesel engines than any other type of engine due to the precision required in modern injection systems. Not all diesel fuel is created equal, and cheap fuel often contains higher sulfur content, less effective detergents, and more water contamination that can damage your expensive injection system. Your high-precision injection system can't distinguish between good and bad fuel until permanent damage has already occurred. Use top-tier diesel fuel whenever possible, and add a quality fuel additive every few thousand miles to protect your investment. Look for additives that provide cetane boost for better combustion, water separation to prevent corrosion, anti-gel protection for cold weather, and injector cleaning to maintain optimal spray patterns. This isn't just winter protection. Year-round fuel treatment prevents most fuel system problems before they become expensive repairs. Quality fuel additives cost pennies per gallon but can prevent thousands in injection system repairs. Use fuel stabilizer for long-term storage if your diesel sits unused for extended periods, as diesel fuel degrades faster than gasoline and can cause starting and performance issues. Habit 7. Replace air filter every 15,000 miles. Here's the maintenance habit that most diesel owners completely overlook. Yet it directly impacts fuel economy, power output, and engine longevity. Your air filter serves as your engine's first line of defense against dirt, dust, and debris that can cause internal wear and damage. Diesel engines need approximately 10,000 liters of air for every liter of fuel burned, which represents a massive amount of air flowing through your filter system daily. Without sufficient clean air intake, the fuel mixture becomes too concentrated, resulting in incomplete combustion, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. A clogged air filter forces your engine to work harder to draw in air, reduces power output significantly, and can trigger black smoke from the exhaust, indicating incomplete combustion. Replace diesel air filters every 15,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first. But shorten this interval if you drive in dusty conditions, on gravel roads, or in heavy traffic areas where air quality is poor. A clean air filter ensures optimal combustion, maximum fuel efficiency, and prevents contaminants from entering your engine where they can cause expensive internal damage over time. These 7 habits aren't suggestions. They're requirements for any diesel owner serious about long-term reliability and avoiding expensive repairs. Follow them religiously, and your diesel engine will reward you with hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles and reliable performance. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than repair, and these simple maintenance habits can save you thousands in unexpected breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more diesel maintenance content, and share this with other diesel owners who could benefit from these tips. What's your biggest diesel maintenance concern? Drop it in the comments below and I'll address it in future videos.